parts in our brain, left brain and the right brain. Both these parts are connected and are interdependent. Some children stumble and fall frequently when they are learning to walk. This is because the connections in the brain are still developing. Some children continue to fall when they grow up. They have difficulty in reading, writing and playing sports. Some children also fail to develop dominance in one of their hands, either left or right hand. This is called midline crossing difficulty and is often not given importance. This is a critical milestone that is required for a child to succeed in life. What is midline crossing? If we draw an imaginary line running from the middle of our head down to our toes, dividing the body into two parts, this line is called the midline. When the movable parts like our legs, hands, eyes, elbows, etc. of right side of the body crosses over to the left side or vice versa, we call it midline crossing. When does this develop? If you observe a young child of say 5 months, when you hand an object, they generally reach out from the side the object is being offered. Example, left hand if object is on the left side. As the spatial perception develops, the children will learn to switch sides quite spontaneously. This develops in the age group of 3.5 years to 4 years and is fully developed by 6 to 8 years. Why is midline crossing important? Midline crossing is important because connections between our left and right brain will have to develop and communicate efficiently. In most children, this happens naturally. For example, through crawling, clapping, moving object between hands, reaching out to objects on the left side with the right arm, climbing the steps with alternative legs, etc. If children have not had enough experiences of these activities, these children will struggle with everyday activities like dressing up, brushing, eating, wearing shoes, etc. These children further will struggle in school when it comes to reading, writing, sports or in organizing themselves. How can we help children develop these skills? If you do see your child struggling in everyday activities, then there are a few simple exercises you can do with your child every day to help build these connections between the two hemispheres of our brain, which is left and the right brain. These exercises will also help the child to focus and monitor themselves during times of stress. Let's look at few simple midline crossing exercises that will assist a child in developing connections in the brain and succeed in life. Watch out for our next video where we have demonstrated simple exercises to develop these connections between left and the right brain. If you like our videos, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel.